All right, so here it is, Firstpower, right? I've taken the liberty of taking all the plastic off of it, so this is not the way it looks when you first open it. But you do get a user's manual, but I don't think we're gonna really need it. This is your case, and if I pop it open, you can see you can put 3 batteries in there. Over here is your USB-C for your charge, right? Set that back down in there. You do get this cord with it, right? And you get 2 batteries, dose batteries. So here they are, get 2 of them. Now my GoPro came with 1 battery, right? So let me set that there, set this here, get rid of this for a second. All right, so here's these batteries, and here's my GoPro camera here, right? So let's go ahead and take a look and see how close these are. We're gonna pop out the battery. There we go, set that down. All right, so here's your GoPro battery, right? And here's your clone battery. I mean, pretty close, right? I think it's gonna work. Looks like all the contacts are the same. So we should be able to use these batteries. Now, if you've got 3 batteries, you could put all 3 of them in here, right? So look, check it out. So you gotta look in there and see where the contact goes, right? And we're gonna have to get a better look inside there because we can't really see, can we? Luckily, I've got this. All right, so the contact is right directly, it looks like it's on this side, okay? Okay. So when we put this in, I do believe we've got to put it like that. Yeah, it's got to go that way, like that. And then you would just close it like that. Then you got to get a USB-C. You can see I've got one connected to a block right there. I just plug it in. And you can see, look, it's charging. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Now, all 3 of them need to be charged. So we'll just let it sit there for a while, and then we'll put it back in the GoPro and see how they work. A couple hours later, bam, we got green lights. We're ready to rock. Pop her open, pull the batteries out, put them back in our GoPro. Oh yeah. And then we can go out and do some video. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? All right, so let's go ahead. Let's pop open our GoPro. And let's try one of these other batteries, right? Let's pop it out. It's a 13, right? So you just got to make sure you get it in there, right? So we're going to try it and see how she works. There we go. We got it in. Huh. See if we put it in right. Oh, no wonder it wouldn't go in. It's got to go like this. Okay, there we go. Screwed that up, didn't I? All right, let's see if it works. Bob's your uncle. Battery 100%. We're good. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.